Give me 10 feet. Hey.
They've made you part of their flock.
I'm not trying to be a part of nobody's flock. Shoot. Fuck off, fanboy.
My name is Jeff.
I don't care that your name is Jeff.
You can understand them?
What?
Nice to meet you, Jeff.
Stop talking to Jeff!
Fast as fuck.
Come on. Seriously, fellas, not seriously. This is so humiliating. Hey, I'm not for the games. I'm for the games. You better know. Stop! Stop! No! Stop it! What's wrong with you? Oh!
Rata con alas.
Oh!